Hello, my name is Ilham Satya Maulana. I'm here to give presentation about Albert the Zeus story. First, we talk about homosexuality in the Zeus story issue. Written in 1958, the Zeus story was extremely unusual for its time because it included explicit discussion of homosexuality. While albeit treatment of the topic is fairly tame by modern standard, it shocked audience when the play was performed in the United States in 1916. This section will briefly summarize how American attitude toward homosexuals may have influenced the play reception. Although it is becoming more and more widely accepted in society, literature continues to show the struggle that gay, lesbian, and queer people have to go through. Throughout the Zeus story, the character Peter, who is written as the married straight character, seems to have better, while Jerry, the character who has had a homosexual past, has more difficult living situation and social problem. Jerry understands the reality that he is lower in the social hierarchy of his society and decides to end his life because of that. On the other hand, Peter understands this same reality but has conformed to normality so that he can survive in this harsh society. Meanwhile, he saw signs that he is unhappy with his life and also hint at his homosexuality. In the end, which is better, killing yourself to escape the harsh reality of social norm, Jerry, or living while conforming to social norm and never being completely happy? Peter. Homophobia in society. Homophobia encompasses a range of negative attitudes and feelings toward homosexuality or people who are identified or perceived as being lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender, LGBT. Next, we talk about heteronormativity and gender intelligibility topic. Jerry, a victim of normative discourse of his society. As Jerry gives Peter an account of his life, it becomes evident that he has been a victim of normative discourse of his society. He has been privileged as a child in dysfunctional family with a mother who escaped with her lover and alcoholic father. As a grown-up, he has lived in an exiled and miserable life in poor rooming house of New York. Now, he is at the park to make himself understood and heard through self-entitled mother. For this end, he aimed at a middle-class man with an outwardly perfect life. Jerry is separated not only because of his socio-economic barrier, but also because he is non-conforming in his gender presentation. Jerry gender trouble refused by society. Jerry gender trouble can be traced by his refusal to match with the social approved definition of gender. In famous representation on sex and gender, McCullough explained that, according to Butler, gender is an illusion meant that be predisposed structure. Individuals have integrity gender. If they exhibit a certain sequence of attributes in correct manner, women are female with feminine behavioral traits. Being heterosexual whose desire is directed at men. Men are male with masculine behavioral traits. Being heterosexual whose desire is directed at women. It is to say that for men and women to be gendered individual and to persist through time as men and women. Heterosexual desires should follow heterosexual orientation, which in turn follow from feminine or masculine behavior, through to follow from biological sex. This is example of how society rejects LGBT and gender preference. Quotation from the Zeus story. The room beyond my four wall is occupied by a colored queen who always keeps his door open. Well, not always, but always when he plucking in his eyebrow. which he does with Buddhist concentration. Jerry referred to Serpentam, the derogatory to black gay men who live in his building. Jerry is gay himself, though so his contempt to other gay men himself it could be also to contempt for himself. Does Jerry dislike himself? There is some evidence for it, like the suicide. Peter, with disgust and impotence. Great God, I just come here to read, and now you want me to give up on the bench? You mad. The stake examines some Peter impotence. Jerry is coming into Peter's bench, and that makes Peter less of a man. What? Because men are supposed to fight, in this case, fight for their bench. Because Jerry encroaching on Peter's space raised the possibility of homosexual affection, which the play abundantly says as unmanly. Thank you. All. Oh, that's all for me. I hope you guys understand.